Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 top features of the brilliant Lenovo Yoga Pro 7 laptop. It feels amazing to use with its powerful Intel Evo 13th Gen processor. It lets you work across multiple devices easily, and it gives you the ideal experience with the Intel Evo platform. I'm going to head to the lab where we're going to check this laptop out in more detail. I love that this laptop is perfect for all of your entertainment needs and so much more. It's got this beautiful OLED screen which makes it perfect for watching all of your favourite movies and TV shows. It's also got this very sleek and stylish design. It's been built to make everything feel easier for you, and that's thanks to its powerful Intel Evo 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, which really packs a punch and allows you to power through the heaviest of workloads. That could be running demanding programs such as your photo and video editing software. And the same can be said when it comes to multitasking as well. You can have multiple windows, tabs and programs up, and you can seamlessly and effortlessly move between them, which I'm going to show you now. I'm just going to swipe between the different windows. And I'll swipe across to our task manager, and you can see there our CPU is running at under 10%, our memory, our RAM is there at 64%, which means there's plenty more space to run even more programs on your laptop. You can also turn your laptop into an extension of your phone by connecting the two by using Intel Unison. This can come in really handy when you want to work across both devices, but you don't want to keep chopping and changing between the two. Now, Intel Unison allows you to transfer files, you can access photos and videos in your gallery, you can receive notifications, you can also receive phone calls, and you can also receive text messages and get notifications about that as well. And here you can see I've got the notification on my phone. The notification has popped up on the laptop. An Intel 13th Gen processor and Intel Evo extends way beyond performance to make sure that your laptop can do even more at once. It's got fast charging with a long battery life, and it seamlessly ensures the best available connection, all encompassed in this sleek and lightweight design. And whenever you see this sticker, that's telling you that you're getting a premium laptop with the best overall laptop experience. If you'd like more info on this Lenovo laptop, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.